honestly, training with Praveen is very, very difficult. He's a monster. He becomes your coach. But I think it's good for yourself only.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I am doing a Keto Almond Butter Waffle. It's a super quick and easy recipe. Before I show you the recipe, request you to please subscribe the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, amazing, awesome recipes that can keep you lean and hot in shape. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So we have here is a ANS Performance Keto Pancake Mix. So super easy to make pancake and waffles with this. Here I have is almond butter unsweetened. I'm using crunchy. You can also use creamy. I have some almond flakes for garnishing and some strawberries. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of ANS Performance Pancake Mix or 30 grams. To this, I'm going to add some water. Now I'm going to mix this well with the spoon and let this mixture set for the next 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes slightly thicker. So now after 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see that the mixture is ready. When we are doing pancakes, we make the mixture slightly liquidy, but then when we are doing waffles, we see to it that the mixture is slightly thicker. That means I'm going to add just little water. So you can see this is slightly thick. I'm using a Prestige waffle maker. To see what waffle maker I'm using, you can go into the description link below. Now I've greased the waffle maker with little butter. So I have put some butter on it, greased it well. Now I'm going to add my waffle mix to it. Now I've added my waffle mix to it. And now I'm going to close and cook this. So it's red now. Once it turns green, that means our waffles are ready. And our waffle is ready. The indication button shows green and here goes our waffle. Amazing, awesome keto waffles. Now you're going to use a silicone spoon if you have one and remove your waffle. And our keto almond butter waffle is ready. Now I'm going to garnish the same with almond butter on it. That's unsweetened almond butter and some fresh strawberries. Keto almond butter waffle is ready. Before I give you the benefits, request you to please go on to the description, check out all the ingredients that I'm using so that you make the exactly same waffle. I've also put the link of the equipment what I'm using to make the waffle, that's the waffle maker. Now the benefits of the same, the waffle is loaded with 3 grams of carb and 7 grams of protein. It's an excellent meal for a breakfast or post-workout. Lastly, it is a great replacement for carbohydrate. Thank you so much. See you soon.